Hey, I'm Rick Orlando. You know, I've been importing beautiful ancient grain low gluten pastas from Sicily. Just want to show you in this video the way they cook it there. So you're never draining your pasta. You take tongs and scoop it into your pan with your sauce, and you add a little pasta water as you go and let it go from hard al dente to perfect al dente just by flipping, not stirring the pasta. Look at how beautiful that is. Get some at tastemakermarket.com. I'm the exclusive importer, and you're going to love this stuff. We have linguine, we have casarecce, and we have penne. All ancient grain, and they may be suitable for people with gluten intolerance, but not for celiacs. Enjoy. I'm Rick. Have a great day.